Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. And I just have to say, wintertime is the best time to cuddle up with a good blanket on a cold day. And if you haven't tried this merino wool blanket from Woolly Mammoth, then you are definitely missing out. First of all, this blanket is made with 80% sheep's wool, and it's perfect for indoor or outdoor adventures. I use this blanket when I'm cuddled up on the couch, watching a good movie, or even when I'm outside enjoying the cold weather on a winter's day. I love how this blanket is really wide. It's 90 inches, which makes it big enough for me and my hubby to cuddle up with. The quality of this blanket is pretty fantastic. The stitching on the edges is thick and it brings a warm, classy look to the blanket. You can easily spot clean this blanket and it's also water resistant, making it great for outdoor use. I plan on putting this blanket in my car for emergencies. I live where it can snow pretty heavily and the roads can be pretty sketchy, so having a blanket like this in the car is really valuable. I've never owned a wool blanket before and I had no idea what I was missing out on. These blankets are so heavy and sturdy. They're just so great at keeping you warm when it's really cold out. This merino wool blanket from Woolly Mammoth is beautiful, it's heavy duty, and it's really versatile. It truly is the perfect addition to my home, whether I'm using it indoors or outside. And that's my point of view.